A student scored the following grades in 5 different subjects: 85, 90, 78, 92, and 88. What is the arithmetic mean of the student's grades? So, the arithmetic mean of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers in the set divided by the number of numbers in the set. So in this case, we need to add 85, 90, 78, 92, and 88 and divide it by 5. So the arithmetic mean is 433 divided by 5. Dividing 433 by 5, we get 5 goes in 43 8 times with a remainder of 3. We bring down the 3, we get a 33. 5 goes in 33 6 times and we get a remainder of 3. Now, since 5 doesn't go in 3, we add a decimal point and multiply 3 by 10 to get 30. 5 goes in 36 times, the remainder of 0. So the arithmetic mean of the student's grades is 86.6. The mean of 7 numbers is 26, and 6 of them are 20, 25, 30, 22, 28, and 24. What is the 7th? So first of all, the mean is the sum of the numbers in the set divided by the number of numbers. So here that is equal to 26. Now, to get the total sum of the numbers, we need to multiply the number of numbers, which is 7, with 26. So it gives us 182. Now, adding the first 6 numbers, we get so the 7th number is 182 minus 149. So the last number is 33. Find the mean of 12, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So the mean of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers in the set divided by the number of numbers in the set. So in this case, we need to sum up the numbers. So 25, to that we add 15, we get 40. To that we add 20, we get 60. To that we add 30, we get 90. And to that we add 12, we get 102. So the mean is 102 divided by 5. 5 goes in 10 twice with no remainder. We bring down the 2. 5 doesn't go in 2, so we get a remainder of 0. And we add a decimal point. And we add to the quotient. And we add a decimal point, we need to multiply the remainder by 10. 5 goes in 24 times with no remainder. So the mean of these 5 numbers is 20.4.